Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In today's session of Electromagnetic Waves, class 12 physics, further concepts will be cleared through illustrations taken from JEE Main PYQs 2025. In earlier session, we have gone through displacement current, application, definition of electromagnetic wave, and also very basics on the electromagnetic waves, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say these playlists are very important. Playlist of +1 math, +2 math, +1 physics, +2 physics, which cover all the topics, lessons of +1 math, +2 math, +1 physics for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, JEE, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examinations. In addition to this, these papers are solved with additional information going to be very important for NEET 2026 and JEE Advanced 2026. Further, I would like to say these papers are available on website Sethi Swift Learn. These papers are solved with additional informations going to be very helpful. You can visit the site sethiswiftlearn.com and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेथी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concept. Question is, if mu₀ and epsilon are the permeability and permittivity of free space respectively, then dimension of. Very simple, direct answer. You know, C, velocity of light. Light is given by under root mu₀ epsilon. Means this is C. So C square will be equal to 1 over mu₀ epsilon. We have to find the element. So therefore dimension of will be LT minus 1 whole square, that is L square T की power minus 2, that is L square upon T square, L square upon T square. A is the correct answer, right? Next question. Question is, the radiation pressure exerted by a 450 watt light source on a perfectly reflecting surface placed at 2 meter away from it is 4 options are given to, one of the options is correct. Now we have to find the radiation pressure. Radiation pressure is pressure. Finally जो answer होता है that is 2I upon C. I is the intensity and this is energy per unit time and per unit area, that is energy U upon A delta T. एनर्जी को पावर भी ले सकते हैं, सॉरी U upon AT, एनर्जी that is power upon area, P upon 4 pi R square, right? This is this one, intensity. So intensity comes out to be P upon C. So pressure will be equal to power upon 4 pi R square into C into 2, because incident and perfectly reflecting. So change in momentum will be 2p, therefore 2i over c. Substituting values twice into 450 upon 4 pi into r square, 2 का square into 3 into 10 to the power 8. On simplification we get D. This is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, the electric field of an electromagnetic wave in free space is E equal to 57 cos of omega t minus kx into vector. Unit vector in the direction of this. Associated with the magnetic field is. 4 options are given to, one of the option is correct. Right? Basic formula is, suppose as in electromagnetic waves, as E, B and direction of propagation, all three are mutually perpendicular to each other, and perpendicular to each other and having same phase. Means cos वाली जो टर्म है वो एज इट इज रहेगी, cos वाली टर्म एज इट इज रहेगी. तो बेसिक फॉर्मूला ये है, सपोज E इक्वल टू E नॉट, इसके cos ऑफ ओमेगा टी माइनस के डॉट आर इनटू, साथ में लिखना पड़ेगा यूनिट वेक्टर in the direction of unit vector in the direction of जो भी x axis y axis, unit vector in the direction of this, right? This is this one. In this case, this is omega is 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 radian per second, right? And k dot r, k vector will be equal to 3i plus 4j xi plus yj. So k vector will be like this. This is k dot r. So k value vector equal to 3i plus 4j. Therefore, unit vector in the direction of electric field will be 3i plus 4j divided by 5. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड 5 होगा, तो 5 से डिवाइड. दिस इज यूनिट वेक्टर, राइट? नाउ टू फाइंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड we know E upon B equal to C. E naught upon V naught equal to C. Here E naught is, this is not E naught, 57 is not E naught. 57 is not E naught, provided for this is not E naught. Now I will explain further. E naught will be, this vector should be unit vector. To make it unit vector, we have to divide it by 5. To divide it 5, to multiply by 5. So E naught will be 5 into 57 upon 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon, sorry, 57 into, that will be the 57 into this one. This will be the E naught. Reason being, after writing the complete expression like this, E equal to E naught cos of omega t minus kx or into unit vector in the direction of so. So that vector is not a unit vector. First you make the unit vector, then this will be the direction, and divide by 5, multiply 5, this will become 57 into 5, right? This is regarding E naught. Now, you know, as I, J, K, I, J, K, I cross K, I cross J, K, J cross K, I, K cross I. Similarly, direction of propagation is E cross B, which is perpendicular to this as well as this. Means unit vector ये ले लें, unit vector ये ले लें, और unit vector direction ले लें. So we have to find the direction of B. To find B, we have to take direction cross this one. Means direction of B will be unit vector, direction of B will be equal to direction unit vector cross electric field unit vector. Direction unit vector is 3i plus 4j divided by 5. 3i plus 4j divided by 5 cross 4i minus 3j. 4i minus 3j divided by 5. इनका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? This comes out to be 5 1 by 25 IJK 340 and 4 minus 3 0. These are the unit vectors. On simplification, 1 by 25, this comes out to be K minus 9 minus 16 K. So this comes out to be minus K. So direction of B is minus K. So we have to choose the correct answer. 57 as E naught or B naught equal to C. So B naught will be equal to E naught by C. Now minus sign आएगा, this is correct or this is correct, whether 5K is correct or K is correct. 5K we cannot take, reason B, इसको multiply करेंगे हम, this will be multiplied with 57 to 3 by 5 into unit vector in the direction of this, और 5K लेना पड़ेगा हमें, क्योंकि 5 से हमने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया था इसको, तो 5 ये वाला इधर इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया, तो A इज द करेक्ट आंसर. अब ये 5 एक्चुअल ये इधर लिखो तो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड, इसको इधर ले लिया 5 के, तो A इज द करेक्ट आंसर. A इज द करेक्ट आंसर. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, a plain electromagnetic wave of frequency 20 megahertz travels in free space along the positive direction of x-axis. At a particular point in space and time, the electric field vector of the wave is EY, that is 9.3 volt per meter. Then the magnetic field vector of the wave at the point is. Now, orally we give the answer, then direction of propagation is positive axis, y axis, then it will be along the z axis. Z एक्सिस में सारी Z एक्सिस दे रखे हैं, तो BZ, तो E इक्वल टू क्या होता है? E नॉट ओवर B नॉट इक्वल टू C. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दीजिए, जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज आंसर. नाउ एज इन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव, E, B and direction of propagation all are mutually perpendicular to each other, and in this case EY is given to you, EY equal to 9.3 volt per meter, 9.3 volt per meter. So BZ will be equal to as direction of propagation is x, positive x. Why? So it should be along z direction. So E naught over B naught equal to C. So B naught will be equal to E naught by C. Not P को है वैसे कोई भी हो, that is all. तो BZ will be equal to EY upon C. That is 9.3 upon 3 into 10 to the power 8. That comes out to be 3.1 10 to the power minus 8. Let's check the answer. Tesla. This is a Tesla. A is the correct answer. Right? Next question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept killing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept killing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Sethi Swift Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेथी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, due to presence of electromagnetic wave whose electric component is given by 100 sin omega t minus kx Newton per coulomb, a cylinder of length 200 centimeter holds certain amount of energy, electromagnetic energy inside it. If another cylinder of same length but half diameter than the previous holds same amount of electric energy, the magnitude of the electric field of the component should be modified as. Four options are given to, one of the options is correct. यानी कि two cylinders are there. Two cylinders are there. Then energy in first pipe into energy into second pipe. Half electric field है epsilon naught E naught square C into volume of first 1 by 2 epsilon naught E naught square 1 E naught square C into volume of 2. Right? In that case, half epsilon naught is common for both the cases. C is common for both the cases. Then E naught 1 square into volume cylindrical pi R1 square L1 equal to EO2 pi R2 square L2. So this pi goes as length is same and diameter 2 equal to 1. Half of the diameter, but half of the previous one. Means R2 क्या होगा? R2 will be R1 by 2. Right? R2 will be R1 by 2. So E naught square L1 से L1 कट गया, R1 square equal to, this will come out to be R1 square by 4 E naught 2. Then this goes R1 square goes E naught 2 square equal to 4 E naught 1. In that case, E02 equal to twice E0. 1. So it will be double of that. So energy, magnitude of the electric field component electrons should be modified as B option is the correct option. B option is correct option. ये जो होता है एनर्जी डेंसिटी होता है इनटू वॉल्यूम, तो टोटल एनर्जी निकल आएगी. इसका एनर्जी डेंसिटी फर्स्ट इनटू एनर्जी डेंसिटी सेकंड, सिंप्लीफाई इट एंड फाइंड द आंसर. तो बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट वन. राइट. अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हो तो ई बाई बी इक्वल टू सी, उसको यूज करके हम बी का भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते थे. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, the magnetic field of an electromagnetic wave is given by root 3 by 2i plus 1 by 2j 30 sin omega t minus z by c SI unit. Corresponding electric field in SI units are. 4 options are given to one of the options is correct. We know in electromagnetic wave, E, B and direction of propagation. All are mutually perpendicular to each other. And E cross B gives direction of propagation. And E dot B equal to perpendicular to each other. Right? We have to use this concept. In this case, and our E and B are in same phase. Means the sin की term है one of this option or one of this option is correct. A और B rejected है. इनमें देखिएगा आप E dot B equal to 0 किस में आता है? 3/4. D ऑप्शन देखा 1/2 iota minus root 3/2 j into root 3/2 plus 1/2 j. So this comes out to be 1/2 iota minus root 3/2 and another is root 3/2 iota plus 1/2 j. So this comes out to be root 3/4 minus root 3/4. This is 0. Means E and B are perpendicular. इससे इस केस से नहीं आएगा 3/4. इससे देखिएगा 3/4. This comes out to 3 root 3/4. इससे आंसर 0 नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. दूसरा E cross B gives direction of propagation. देख लीजिए, वो भी करके देख लीजिए. Otherwise D option is the correct one. Just addition information. I J K E. E हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं D ऑप्शन 1/2 minus root 3/2. 1/2 minus root 3/2 0 and B is root 3/2 1/2. इसको एक्सपेंड करें तो ये आएगा K. This comes out to minus 1/4. This comes out to be 1/4 plus E cross B. E cross B 1/√2 minus root 3/2 and 1/4 plus root 3/4. That is K. Right? Along that direction. So this is the correct answer. D option is correct answer. D option is correct answer. इसमें साथ में C लगेगा. रीजन B E by B, E naught by B naught equal to C. Then E naught will be equal to B naught into C. So E comes out to be like this. C to C. Clear? Right. Next question. Question is, given below are two steps, one is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Electromagnetic waves carry energy but not momentum, as mass of photon is 0. 4 options are given to you, one of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable. Pressure. Electromagnetic waves carry both pressure and energy. Energy of epsilon naught E square C, or like this. Pressure P equal to 2y by C for perfectly reflecting surface. Perfectly reflecting. क्वेश्चन आंसर तो 5 सेकंड का, लेकिन जस्ट एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूं मैं आपको. दिस इज द false. This is true. This is true. Rest mass of proton is 0 and travels with velocity of light. So second is false. Second is true. So A is false, B is true. This is B option is the correct option. B option is correct one. Right? Next question. Question is, a plane electromagnetic waves propagates along the positive x direction in free space. The component electric field E and magnetic field vector associated with the wave in Cartesian frames are E and B. X direction हो तो Y और Z होने चाहिए, या तो either B or C. Option B or C is correct. How to confirm this? To confirm this, as E cross B gives direction of propagation. E cross B gives direction of propagation. Direction of propagation is along positive x-axis. That is along I. You know I, J, K. E cross B gives the direction of propagation. So J cross K should be there. J cross K will give you the I. So J should be E and this should be B. So EY and BZ. EY and BZ. So C is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, arrange the following in the ascending order of wavelength: microwaves, ultraviolet, infrared, and X-rays. Choose the most appropriate answer from the. We have to arrange in ascending order, increasing order of wavelength. The spectrum है, that is R, M, I, V, U, X, gamma. Radio, micro, infra, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma. This is the increasing order of frequency, or you can say decreasing order of wavelength. Decreasing order of wavelength means, in this case, so minimum will be X-rays, X lambda 4, ये आंसर नहीं हो सकता. फिर मैक्सिमम किसका होगा? माइक्रोवेव्स का. मैक्सिमम विल बी RMI, माइक्रोवेव्स का लैम्डा 1. तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. इसमें से एक होगा. A or B. So lambda 4, lambda 1, lambda 2, then ultraviolet, infrared. So B option is the correct option. B option is the correct option. You follow this one. This is the increasing order of frequency, decreasing order of wavelength. According to this, select the correct answer. B is the correct answer, right?
Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.